algebra math solution factorization. As for my 38 plus 216. 216 minus 80a plus minus 12a. Total is minus 38 and 18 12 216 multiplication. There a equal to common a minus 18 minus 12 equal to a minus 18. So a minus 18 a minus 18 a minus 12 was is solved only realize it. Milton term factor was this and realizes. Please subscribe me. If you give me subscribe, I must be grateful to you. All of your progressive minus